Hi boys and girls. So we're going to play a little game today to practice our sounds. Now lots of these sounds we did a long time ago now, but we have now we've learned all of our sounds, so it's time to go over them and practice them. Now this game is Splat, and a lot of you know Splat. We play it in class quite a lot of the time. We do sometimes use fancy flashcards, but this is a way that you can adapt this at home. So I've used post-it notes today because I had some in my drawer, but you could use scrap pieces of paper, you could use little foam letters. It's completely up to you. Now I would choose sounds that you know mostly, with a couple. So if you were struggling with g and p, you could put them in so that you could keep practicing them with, but you want to know most of them so that you can then keep practicing those two, and then slowly, if you've got g next week, you can change that and add it for another letter that you're not too sure of, okay? What we're going to try is, I've made a list of words, and I'm going to show you a few games that you can do. So the first thing you could do is you can ask an adult to call out a sound, and you can just simply splat it. So s, okay, you could do that, or you could say a letter as you splat it. Or you could maybe set a timer, so you could give yourself 30 seconds to go b, n, f, g, p, s, a. It's really important you're saying the sound that the letter makes, not the letter name, okay? Mostly adults actually, we all call it the letter by the letter name, okay? So A and P, but we need to be careful to say the sound the letter makes, and that will help us with our blending. So we could then look at our little list, and we could say the first one, sun, s, n, sun, s, n, sun, and then we could make it s, n, sun, and we'll do it again, s, n, sun, okay? And then we'll go down the list again. Next word, bag, b, a, g, b, a, g, bag. B, a, g, b, a, g, bag. Good. Okay, so that's just a little game. The words that I've chosen have all the letters are here, so just be careful with that, with the words. But you could there's lots of different ways you can do that. That's just to show you a wee game you can play at home to practice your sounds. You don't need a printer, you don't need anything apart from a little bit of paper and a pen. You could even draw little pictures on them if you really wanted. So we could have a wee sun or a wee apple if we're really struggling with some sounds, to help us as a wee visual reminder. Okay, have fun.